This video is for demonstration purposes only and is for reference only. The TYD01-01 can be widely applied in laboratory and industrial environments. Syringe pump shell dimensions. Main components at the front of the syringe pump. Main components at the back of the syringe pump. Syringe pump function keys. Refer to the packing list to check that all components are complete and undamaged. TYD01-01 product, brochure, manual, warranty certificate, calibration certificate, power cable, and accessories. Syringe installation. Using a 10 ml syringe as an example. Press the release button and move the slider close to the syringe length position. Release the locking nut and adjust the position of the fixed bracket. Lift the pressure plate nut and rotate the syringe pressure plate outward by 180 degrees. Insert the syringe into the groove of the right fixed seat while engaging the syringe push rods. Wing into the fixed bracket. The syringe barrel's wings should fit into the fixed bracket. Lift the pressure plate nut and rotate the syringe pressure plate back by 180 degrees, pressing it against the syringe barrel. Tighten the locking nut. Use an Allen wrench to adjust the position of the stop block to prevent excessive advancement that could damage the syringe. Startup guide on first power up. Please operate according to the prompts, using the syringe-only mode as an example. Power on and sequentially select language, syringe manufacturer, syringe specifications, and operating mode. Set the liquid volume to 5 ml and the injection flow rate to 10 ml per minute. Press the start key and the pump begins to run.